Good evening, everybody. You're used to me to do some car product reviews. I wanted to do something different this time. I've been looking for a lot of time, basically for my spa. That's my backyard. I've tried a lot of products for my spa, and it always smells. It always. Let me go down and show you what I bought. After a while, it just smells bad, and it's called PastelsMarvel and SPAMARVEL. They have a couple of products. This is for the PastelsMarvel. For the pool, it's called PastelsMarvel. It's a natural pool water treatment. My pool is 12 by 28. It's salt water, so technically it filters out there, and then I have some jets here, and then that's my system, which is salt water. Excuse the noise, it's a bit loud a bit. So this is my salt water. It's Hayward. That's my cartridge filter, and there you go. So I wanted to try something different. I've always been using, like everybody else, my pool, my spa, chlorine or anything that is out there to be used. So this year I decided to get SPAMARVEL. So basically, that's my jacuzzi or spa. It's a Vita spa, and those are the products that I got. SPAMARVEL, it's a cleaner. This is a cleaner, and that's a filter cleaner. And that's the water treatment and the conditioner. So it also comes with this water filter, which when you're refilling the spa, you can use this, and then it gets a better quality, like bottled water, which is charcoal activated. Great for pools and spa, it says. And this is for the pool. So let's not talk about the pool right now. Let's talk about the spa, because I want to do it like in pieces. It comes in this box, really well packaged. By the way, don't bother no seats or anything, because it's kind of fall right now. I have the fire ongoing, and I decided to do this today. So it's gonna be this video is gonna be in pieces. I'm gonna start right now. It's probably gonna be on a couple of days. I'm gonna fill the water, or at least this is an old water, by the way. Instead of just throwing the water, I can treat it. I don't need to throw it away. I can start using these products, and then we'll see what happens. So I did bite the bullet, and then got the SPAMARVEL to try it out. So I'll let you know. As I said, the video is gonna be in pieces, and next time we're gonna be able to see if we have clear water or not, or if it smells or not. I mean, right now there is like this weird smell, like every other spa, because it was closed for a couple of days, and it starts to smell. If the water is not running, it's not being filtered, as you know, your spa starts to smell, and then you're gonna have like jelly or algae, like it's algae or anything like that, building up debris. If your water is hard, it's gonna build up some calcium. So you understand what I'm telling you. So let's do this and see what happens. it's gonna be in a couple of days. So here's part 2 of this video. SPAMARVEL comes with this leaflet, as I showed you in the beginning. It's pretty explanatory. You don't need to stress, just follow those instructions. First of all, this is, as I said in the beginning of this video, that I'm not throwing away the water. I want to use the cleanser to clean the water, clean the pipes. And what I did is I removed my filters totally, and I'm running full power with ready mode and full range every 6 hours, total 6 hours filtration per 24 hours. So SPAMARVEL says if you have a brand new spa, then you start here. But I don't have a brand new spa. It's around a year and a half. So I'm using step 2, using SPAMARVEL cleanser, which is gonna be this. Actually, this is the cleanser. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the instructions as it says. High speed 1 hour, leave the cleanser in the spa 24 hours or at least 23 hours. And then I'm gonna drain the water totally, refill the spa with this attached to the hose. So let's do this, guys. For my spa, I'm gonna use the whole bottle as instructed. Again, I repeat, it's very important to follow what SPAMARVEL tells you. So the frequency of water changes is dedicated by your spa water's measurement of total dissolved solids, which is TDS. Your professional spa retailer can recommend water change intervals by testing for TDS. SPAMARVEL cleanser should be used each time before draining the spa. So there you go, guys. Let's go part 3 after I put all this in, and then we'll go for part 3. See you soon. Good day, everyone. So we're Saturday today, the next day. Yesterday, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have used this, which is the cleanser. So my jacuzzi feels like really clean. And what I'm doing today is I connected the X10 or 10 times filter and filling water through this filter. Now once it's filled, I'll continue the video and you'll see what we're gonna do next. So make sure that you follow the instructions. This goes through here, flow goes out there, and I'm just doing it this way. So I'll be back. So basically it's 73 Fahrenheit right now. We have drained the spa, filled it with the filter. It's clean, and now we're doing this, which is SPAMARVEL water treatment conditioner. So just make sure you read the booklet that comes with it. Remember, we started at step 2. Now we're gonna add SPAMARVEL. So you can jump to directional use for the brand new spa. You can start from here, or just continue as it says. Add 1 full bottle of SPAMARVEL water treatment and conditioner every 3 months. So you just need this every 3 months. But I'm gonna mention something very important. Basically, this is important to follow: alkalinity and then pH. So your pH should be between 7.2 and 8.2, and then alkalinity is going to be 80 to 120. So again, we're going to check we're gonna check the spa after we pour this. So what I did is clean the spa, clean the filter, full jet. Something very important SPAMARVEL mentions in here, it has to be actually minimum of 6 hours. Ensure the spa is programmed to filter a minimum of 6 hours a day. Spas with low volume circulation hush pumps should be programmed to filter a minimum of 18 hours a day, or 24 hours is preferred. So there you go, guys. That's my experience with SPAMARVEL. I like to pour it bit by bit so that it doesn't accumulate in one spot. I was shaking the bottle before I opened, and then I'm going bit by bit. This is the conditioner that I told you about. That's the water treatment conditioner. So for any of your products, go to spamarvel.com. They are really responsive. They have a lot of shares, a lot of good, good things talking about them. When I finished filling the water after my drain, even the water right now feels smoother. I feel it on my skin. So I'm eager to try it out. I can't wait to start, to go in it. And I just wanted to mention also a very important aspect, that at least you should have 70 Fahrenheit. At least. The higher the better, but I'm at 73 and I'm okay pouring this right now. So I finished the whole bottle because it's 2,000 liters and above. Mine is 2,000 liters and above. I'm gonna fill it with water and then use every single bit of it, every single drop. SPAMARVEL claims that you need 1 bottle of this every 90 days. Definitely, again, you need to maintain your pH and alkalinity. Those are important. It says in the leaflet. So that's my video for my spa. After all, I highly suggest using these products. I'm gonna follow up in a month or even 2-3 weeks, letting you know what the outcome is after, not using the spa for a week, couple of days. Just make sure to run it, make sure to filter it, make sure to set up your filter every 6 hours, or as per the spa's manufacturer specification. So that's my spa, guys. Next is gonna be the pool. Beginning of the video, as mentioned, I also have a pool, and here's the product for the pool, which is also PoolMarvel. So that's another video. I'll post it, link it to this video, and then I'll talk about the PoolMarvel. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Have a good night.